Every fall, mums are the plant you see on porches, sidewalks, and garden centers everywhere. They're bright, colorful, and scream autumn vibes. But have you ever noticed something strange? The moment Halloween is over, mums start disappearing, tossed into trash bins, compost piles, or left to winter on the porch. So, why is that? Let's dig into the real reason mums get tossed after Halloween. For a lot of people, mums are treated like seasonal decor, not long term plants. Just like pumpkins and Halloween lights, mums are bought out to match the fall aesthetic, then replaced when the seasons change. Once November hits, people are ready for holiday wreaths, garlands, and Christmas lights. So mums get swept away with the rest of fall decor. But it's not just a mindset issue. Mums themselves don't make it easy. Garden mums, also called hardy mums, can survive in the ground and even come back year after year if planted early enough. But most people buy them in September or October when garden centers are overflowing with fully bloomed pots. By then, it's too late for them to establish roots before the first frost hits. So instead of overwintering, those mums fizzle out quickly. That's why so many people see them as disposable. Here's another little secret. The mums you see at big box stores are grown to look their best right when you buy them. Growers use special techniques to time the blooms for September and October. That means by the time you take them home, they're already at their peak. Once those blooms fade, the plants look tired. Without trimming and care, it can seem like it's done. So people toss it out instead of keeping it alive. There's also a cultural reason. Fall decor has a clear endpoint, Halloween. Once November rolls around, the focus shifts to Thanksgiving and Christmas. In other words, mums just don't fit with the new seasonal look. For many households, they've become a short term decorating tool, not a long term garden investment. So, what can you do instead of tossing your mums? If you get them early in the season, plant them in the ground so they can establish roots and come back next year. So the next time you see mums headed for the trash after Halloween, you'll know why. It's a mix of timing, culture, and convenience. But with a little extra care, you can break the cycle and enjoy mums well beyond Halloween. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more seasonal garden tips. If it's already late fall, you can still trim them back and try to overwinter them in a sheltered spot like a garage. And if you're done with them completely, composting is a great eco-friendly option. That way, even if they don't survive, they still give back to the soil.